Hey everyone, I'm Ryan with eXp Realty, and on this beautiful fall day in Connecticut, we've been out touring homes in Stamford and Norwalk. So I thought it'd be fun if you're getting ready to sell your home this fall to run through a list of do's and don'ts to prepare your house to sell this fall. Let's take a look.
Enhance your home's curb appeal. The first impression is crucial, so make sure your home stands out by keeping the yard tidy, raking the leaves, and adding some seasonal decorations like pumpkins or potted mums. Don't neglect indoor staging. While the exterior is important, don't forget that buyers will spend most of their time inside your home. Showcase the warmth and coziness of fall by incorporating fall-inspired colors, scented candles, and tasteful decorations. Highlight the seasonal selling points. Fall in Connecticut is known for its picturesque landscapes, so take advantage of it. Showcase your home's beautiful views, nearby hiking trails, or the charm of the farmer's market offering fresh produce. Don't ignore the importance of lighting. With shorter days in the fall, it's important to ensure that your home is well lit. Open curtains and blinds to let in the natural light during showings, and consider adding extra lighting fixtures to brighten up any dim areas. Don't overprice that home. While fall can be a great time to sell, it's important to remain realistic about pricing. Work with a trusted real estate agent who can help you determine a fair and competitive price for your home. While you're working with your agent, utilize online marketing. In today's digital age, online listings are crucial. Make sure your agent takes high-quality photos of your home to showcase its best features. Effective online marketing can attract more buyers and generate greater interest in your home. Don't neglect any of those necessary repairs. Fall is an ideal time to address any minor repairs or maintenance issues before putting your home on the market. From leaky faucets to loose doorknobs, taking care of these small repairs can go a long way in presenting your home as a well-maintained and move-in ready property.
I hope you found that list helpful. If you have any ideas of your own on what to do or not to do to get your house ready to sell fast, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for being here, and we'll see you next time.